Hi, in this video we're going to talk about trading alerts with Plus 500. Alerts are simple and helpful trading tools that notify you when instruments reach a certain rate, and they are free of charge. Alerts can help you take advantage of trading opportunities without having to constantly check the charts. The Plus 500 platform offers three types of alerts: price, change percentage, and trader's sentiment. Price alerts let you know when the instrument has reached a particular buy or sell rate. Change percentage alerts notify you when an instrument has moved a certain percentage from the previous day's closing price. And trader's sentiment alerts inform you when there is a particular percentage of buyers or sellers of an instrument. To set an alert, simply click on the bell icon of an instrument you're interested in and choose the type of alert you want. Enter the price or percentage at which you wish to receive the notification. Then, click on Set Alert. You'll receive a real-time notification once that instrument reaches your selected price or percentage. Alerts can be received by SMS, push, email, or in-app. To set your preferences, click on Notification Settings. For a smooth experience in getting your alerts, make sure your phone number and email address are verified. Want to learn more? Check out our website